In the fields of colonial Virginia, music was more than art. It was resistance, remembrance, and a roadmap to freedom.
Revolution 250, Stories from the First Shore, chronicling America's semi-quincentennial through the people, actions, and ideas that shaped our country.
Across the plantations of Tidewater, Virginia, the rhythms of field hollers and work songs echoed through the air. Under the sun, voices rose in unison, guiding labor in the tobacco and cornfields while carrying warnings only the enslaved could understand. A subtle shift in pitch might mean danger or a chance to escape. From these chants grew songs of sorrow and faith, the first stirrings of the spiritual tradition. A generation later, pieces like Wade in the Water or Steal Away would give voice to devotion and resistance, praising God on the surface while secretly carrying messages of escape and survival. Inside the great houses of the elite, skilled enslaved musicians were forced to entertain their owners. Fiddlers and banjo players filled plantation halls with reels and jigs, even as they themselves remained outside the dance. But in their own quarters, they could claim music for themselves. Families turned to song for comfort and connection. Where drums were forbidden, they created rhythm with their own bodies, clapping, stomping, and dancing. From the plantations of Virginia came sounds that would shape American music. Blues, gospel, and jazz all trace their lineage to these voices, defiant, enduring, and unforgettable.
This has been Revolution 250, Stories from the First Shore. To learn more about this and other events of the revolutionary age of America, visit whro.org/USA250.